Hey guys, thanks for watching. I wanted to show you my techniques on how I determine what bit I'm going to use. First of all, I wanted to show you a little thing. If you hold shift down when you're doing your job selection, and then you hit enter, or the left side of the mouse, I don't know why I said enter. Come down here, and these two are added. I usually run mine on extremely high. They're not there. They're only the first three if you don't hold the shift key when you do that. So I use that one. This one takes extremely long time to even generate the G code. It's even better than the times 20, obviously, but it just takes. I don't really feel like I need to use that one. You can. Anyways, so another thing I wanted to show you is when you're looking at your preview, and then what I do is this is my bigger bit. It's ran on a roughing pass. I could have done it just in one pass. However, this is a pretty deep carve, so I did do a roughing pass. So you push play, and it shows you the first bit. Now, the first one's going to look okay, in my opinion. However, more detail is always better. And they tell you to do a reset for each time. That's just what you see on YouTube videos. However, if you don't hit this reset button, you come down here and make the second one blue, then you hit play, you can see the difference in what each bit's going to give you compared to each other. Always use the bigger bit first, and then the smaller bit. Watch and see. See how it overlaps it? Now I can tell what bit I need to use from determining what looks better. Obviously the smaller bit's going to give me more detail. I just thought I'd share this little bit of information on how I pick my bit selection, and I hope it helps everybody out. You guys have a good day.